Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm working with a company called OOMyNails, and if you know me, you know I love everything about nails. False nails, stick-on nails, artificial nails. So OOMyNails contacted me and said, would you like to do a product review for us? So I said, yes, I certainly would. So these items have been gifted. I went onto the website, had a look. They said I could choose a certain amount of styles. They are absolutely beautiful. They're gorgeous. There's so many to choose from, all different lengths, shapes, styles, colours. There's matte, there's glitter, there's glossy. There's absolutely something for everybody on there. So I picked quite a few different types. There's a bit of a theme going on here. As you know, I love pink, so I did pick quite a few pink ones, but I've got a few glitter shades as well. So what I'm going to show you is how to prepare your nails and how to put these on. And sort of how to get the best results from them. So in each pack you get a set of 24 little nails, and on the backs of them they've got numbers. I'll come on to that in a minute. You get 2 sets. So what the difference is with these nails is they don't come with glue. They come with little sticky tabs. And these are absolutely fantastic that they don't damage your nails as much as glue. I know I normally use glue and I have wrecked my nails using glue. So I'm trying to give them a bit of a rest, and I'm going over to the sticky tabs. These are, as I say, great if you don't want to damage your nails. They're much easier to take off. And these would be great if you're not used to wearing artificial nails and you want to get into using them. I did have a friend recently that said to me, I'd love to try nails, but I'm a bit nervous about using glue. And I said, haha, these tabs are your answer. So each pack also comes with 2 sheets of these. Each side has got 12 sticky tabs on. Normally in most high street brands I've used previously, you only get one sheet. So to get 2 is great, which means you can get 4 wears out of the nails. They are reusable, which again is different to using glue. Once you use glue, that's it, they're wrecked. But with the sticky tabs, you can just peel them off and start again. So you get at least 4 wears out, and you can buy extra sticky tabs if you want to. Then you get a little preparation pack, how to prepare your nails. You get a little emery board, a cuticle tool, and alcohol wipe. So the ones I chose, I've already tried the gold glitter ones. I'll just pop a picture in now of me using those or wearing them. I also went for a French fade, a plain sort of baby pink, a longer French fade, silver, glittery, a bit like the gold ones that I've just shown you, a nudie iridescent shade, and then the nails that I'm going to show you that I'm actually going to be wearing are sort of a baby pink with just a very fine glitter in them. So I'm just going to change the angle of the camera and show you how to prepare and apply these beautiful nails. Okay, so first of all, what I have done, out of the 24 nails, I've sized up the nails to my own. So I'll just show you how to do that. So on the back, there are little numbers at the top, and you place the different sizes of nails onto your own nail. And what you need to do is just bear in mind, it needs to be a nice neat fit into the nail bed. But you also need to make sure that either side of the nail, you can't see any of your own nail, but it's not actually overlapping. A lot of people make the mistake of either using too small or too large, which just doesn't look as a natural fit. So next we need to prepare the cuticle. So I've washed my hands, I've put hand lotion on there or moisturiser, and I've let it sink in. And then what I've done is, with the cuticle tool, you just push your own cuticles back. Now I've already done mine off screen because this can take a little bit of time. So you just gently push them back so they're out of the way. And then you've got a little sharper end there if you need to sort of scrape any odd bits of skin away that you might have. Wash your hands again to take the hand cream off. And then what is a good idea with false nails, especially the ones with the sticky tabs, is to just roughen your own nails up. Now, because my nails, as I mentioned earlier, have been ruined from glue, my nails have got a lot of ridges on them anyway, so they're not very smooth. But if you've got really smooth nails, just take the gentler side of the emery board and just rough up your own nails. and then that just gives the sticky tab something to adhere to. That's just a top tip. You don't have to do that, but I find if I do that, the sticky tabs last a lot longer and stick a lot better. Next, we're going to use the alcohol wipe just to get rid of any further oils that might have been generated and to get rid of any of those loose pieces of nail. Next, you need to match up the sizes of the sticky tabs to your own nails. So you just remove the little film off one set. So next you then marry up the sticky tab to your own nail. Because this is clear, you can see, rather than peeling it straight off, you can put it against your own nail to see which is going to fit each size. That was a little bit big. You're best to go just a little bit too small because you don't want any of the tab sticking out under the false nail. Then you're just going to peel each one of these off and stick it onto your own nail. There's a little extra part of the tab at the top that needs to come off the top of the nail because then you just peel that back. So then you just press those into place. Now you can do this one sticky tab, one nail at a time, but I tend to just get mine all prepared. So I've got all the sticky tabs on my nails before I put any of the false nails on. Just make sure that's pressed in there as centrally to the nail as possible and just give it an extra press down just to make sure every little part of the sticky tab is stuck to your own natural nail. So that's them all done now. Just give them another once over to make sure they're all stuck in place. And then all you do is peel the little sticky tab off. So then you just pick the appropriate nail for the finger. Make sure it's nice and snug in the nail bed. Nice and straight. Just stick it on. These are so quick and easy, it's unbelievable. There we go. Size it up, pop it into the nail bed, press it down. And then once they're in place, I would go over them again and hold each one for about 30 seconds just to make sure that the nail has stuck to the sticky tab, and just press it in all different areas of the nail. And then repeat on the other side. And that's it, as quick and easy as that. No getting in any mess with any glue like I normally do, get glue everywhere. It's just so quick and simple. If you find once you've got quite a few of them on and you're getting in a little bit of a mess with the sticky tabs, just use a pair of tweezers just to pull them off. That's what I did with the last couple. So there they are, all done. Absolutely beautiful, glistening in the light. So that's it. Beautiful, damage-free nails. So I'll leave all the details in the description box down below, along with any links to the ones that I've shown in this video, links to the website, any discount codes, that sort of thing. If you've got any questions on those, please drop them down in the comments down below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Or I'll contact OOMyNails to find out the answers for you. So hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you have, and you're not already a subscriber, maybe you might consider hitting the button. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.